We are going to do our first scientific experiment, and we're going to use the scientific method. We are going to use the 6 steps in the scientific method, and here is how we do that. First, you take a regular piece of paper, and you're going to fold it, let me do that really quickly, into just 4 sections. Fold in 4 sections, unfold the paper, and you will see that it has 4 different sections. You're going to label these sections just like this poster here. On the first section, you're going to put the title. What are you learning about? Make it a catchy title, something that people would look at the title that, oh, let me find out what that's about. The second thing is actually the first question. You're going to ask a question. What do you want to know? You're going to be specific about your question so that we know exactly what we're talking about. Now, this all happens before the project is started. Then you're going to research the topic. What do you already know about what you're doing? And then find out something new and write a couple paragraphs about that. Remember to cite your sources. Now, then after you do your research, you are ready to form a hypothesis. A hypothesis is an educated guess. It's a prediction. And you can write it in the form of an if-then statement. So I did that with our experiment. I'm going to try to see which color helps absorb the sunlight and melts ice. So I have my materials ready. I have construction paper. If you don't have construction paper, then just get your markers or your crayons and just draw and color one whole sheet of paper a certain color, like color it black or color it red or color it whatever. I have glasses that are all the same, and then in the container here I have some ice that is ready to be melted. Now I just took my regular piece of paper, that's what you have, and this is what you're doing before. You are going to make a title. I haven't made my title yet, but I did write that I am learning about melting ice with the sun, absorbing heat. I'm learning about radiation and heat transfer. My question is, which color will melt ice fastest? You always want to see which color, or you actually want to have a comparison and then find out which one works the best or which one does not work the best. So find that out. Find some kind of comparison, which one works the best or not. And I listed the colors I'm going to use. Now, research your topic. What do you already know? And what is some new knowledge? So I already knew that ice melts in the sun. I already knew that dark colors, they say that dark colors absorb heat better than light colors. They say that. I want to test that out and know it for myself. My new knowledge is the color that you see is actually the color that is reflected off of an object. Without light, you cannot see colors. Think about at night, when you wake up in the middle of the night, nothing is in color. Everything's kind of in black and white. That's because there's no light. The third thing you do is make your hypothesis. It's an if-then statement. So if an ice cube is put into a glass on the black color, then it will melt faster than the other colors. This is what I predict. And we're going to see if that works. So this is the before you get started. I also need to do one more thing. I need to make a list of what I need. This is my materials list. I need 4 color pieces of paper. I need 4 glasses. I need 4 ice cubes. And I need a wristwatch to take the time and measure that data. I'm going to also list procedures. I am going to, number 1, place the construction paper on a flat area. Number 2, place the glass on each paper. Place 1 ice inside each glass. Watch and observe every 2 minutes. This is my quantitative data. And record the temperature of the air, another quantitative data. So I made a chart. I'm ready every 2 minutes, next 4 minutes, and 6 minutes, and 8 minutes. I'm going to test black, purple, pink, and white. All right, so let's go do that.